Hello, this is a quick walkthrough of the new music library feature on the Everything Line Dance for Members page. So if you log in, you'll see your welcome page over on the left-hand side, a music library link. If you click on that, now these are listing out tracks that industry artists have uploaded for you to use free of charge. You can download them, use them free of charge, free to use on any of your videos or social events or anything. So big round of applause. Thanks, guys. This is 28 at the moment we've got, but this will build up quite fast. So I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough. So the left-hand side, you can filter them by dance level. Click on beginner. We'll list out beginner dances. Clear that. Or you can pick by artist. We have 4 at the moment. So let's look at me. A few tracks there. So you can play the track. Click on play. To download, click on the 3 dots, download. That will download to your computer where you want to store it. All we ask when using these tracks is please promote the artist and their music whenever you use it. This means on text and voice. Thanks in advance for that. So to sort these as it grows, it will need sorting. So you can click on the titles and sort them in alphabetical order by artist as well. Country means country music or non-country music. Original means original artist tracks that the artists have written themselves or someone's written with them or co-written, but original songs. By dance title or dance level, so you can sort the columns by clicking on the titles. Lastly, just a search. Pretty much type anything. Let's type love, see what comes up. 2 songs, brilliant. Thanks, guys. Take care. Stay safe.